Meaning of David O Selznick.
David O Selznick.
David O Selznick.
David O Selznick.
David O Selznick. David O. Selznick was an American film producer who made a significant impact on the film industry during the 1930s and 1940s. He is best known for producing classic films such as Gone with the Wind and Rebecca. Selznick's work as a producer helped to shape the culture of Hollywood during its golden age. He is credited with introducing innovation and creativity into the filmmaking process, which continues to influence the industry today. Overall, David O. Selznick was an important figure in American cinema history.